Good morning, everybody. Not sure if you can see, but behind me is the Bicentennial Mural, finally completed. Standing here at the base of the spillway. They've been working on this for the past year, but actually probably 10 years in the making. As you remember, this mural was painted originally in 1976 by a group of Corona Senior High School students. Over the years, it had begun to deteriorate, and the Army Corps of Engineers was concerned about the lead in the paint. So people got together, raised money, were able to get rid of the old lead paint, and finally repaint this mural back to its original state. I hope you enjoyed this update of the mural painted on Corona's Prado Dam. If you didn't see my original video, I encourage you to click on the link at the end of this video and check it out, as it not only covers the mural, but also the history of Prado. Thanks for watching.